Hey y'all, it's your boy here, RebelSquaw, coming at you from the Poinsett Bridge location. It seems to be a reoccurring thing with us, huh? So, today is actually a little bit different. The other day I had uploaded a video onto my channel where I was hanging out in a little cave system. But when I started the video, I really just did a video of me there. And today I just kind of wanted to take you guys on a little hike with me to that spot. So you guys get to kind of see where it is that I go to get to it. I might have to end the video at spots that are kind of difficult for me to get to without using both of my hands. I really like to get a GoPro, so I can record and still have the use of all of my appendages. It's really freaking rocky right here. So where I went from here is literally when you cross the bridge itself. This is the main trail itself that leads off of the bridge. You will get to this little area here. Once again, there's a trail. This way here actually leads right back to the road, and the parking area is just up that way. You will take this trail here. You'll see these little bumps right here, or not bumps, but little posts here. As y'all can see, I got my trusty pack with me. I've had this pack since mid to late 2017. So I've had it for about 2.5 years now. It really comes in handy. I use the two handle straps as really backpack straps. I am not in as good a shape as as I'd like to be, so if you guys hear me panting or clawing for air, it's because I am. But the trail can get kind of steep. So if you guys get to this spot here, the trail cuts off to the right here with this down tree. You're going to want to keep straight to get to this spot here. It's about 75 degrees today, so it's a little muggy. Not muggy, but it's humid. As you can see, there was a trail this way, and I actually took that about 3 months back. And the trail becomes so overgrown, you can't even see it anymore. So you're getting to this spot here. You cross right over this. Doop. That's why I said it gets kind of steep. This is about as steep as Tank Hill back in Harrison, Michigan. Friends of mine that from Harrison, obviously they know Tank Hill. A little bit steeper than that. Whew. It's a bitch. Especially when you're fat and chubby like me. It's crazy. Alright. Keep on trucking. Maybe a little break here. Like I said, I love coming out here. It's beautiful. If you guys ever want to come on a nice little hike, just kind of get you guys' spirits up, definitely would suggest coming out. Oh. Oh man. Ignore my breathing. Just mute the video if you have to. Here's up behind us. I have I've actually stayed out here before, up in that cave. Sticks falling everywhere. I stayed out in this cave a while ago, overnight actually, and it was really peaceful. You know, I love connecting back with nature and camping, but it's pretty scary, not gonna lie. You're in the middle of nowhere, there's no cell service out here, especially as far back as I go. It was crazy. Like I say, you know, you're out there alone. So something happens, you know, animal attack, or you get hurt, you're on your own. And there's not any houses really close by, at all, really. So, it's crazy. So, if you do come out here to camp, or, you know, gonna be out here for the day or the night, you know, bring somebody with you. You know, I've camped by myself for years. You know, I have really good survival training and instincts. You know, so being out in the woods by myself has never been something that I ever really have an issue with. So that's why I do it. But if you don't, you really don't know what you're doing, bring somebody with you. All right. See if we can get out of here, fly. Horse flies, man, I'm telling you. I'm trying to take it nice and slow up this hill, because last time I was coming up, I actually, right there where that little spot is there, I hope y'all can tell, that's my footprint, because I was peeing. My foot went wee. I almost went down that. And from here, y'all really can't see how high up this is, but let me just say, it's high up. All right, we're gonna keep on trucking. Once I get to the camp, I hang out for a while, chill out, check up on a few things, and once I got some energy, go ahead and record, give you guys a part 2 or something to this video. So once you guys get up, finish the trail, you're hit right here, this little post. Oh, get up this little hill. Rock Cave Trail to your right, which is what we're going to take. White Pines Trail is that way. We're going to go this way. Ooh. Ooh. See it or not, there's a web right there. It's a gnarly one. What makes me worry is I can't see its creator. So we're gonna throw our bag. I don't want to take his web down. We'll nice little stick in the ground here, so I'm coming back. Just in case I forget about it, I can remember what it was there for. Alright, we didn't disturb it. It's good. We can carry on. It's June right now, so spider webs are crazy. I was actually out. I returned to the spot where I have my homeless village in Greer, South Carolina video where I shot that at. Took a friend up there to show her that spot. And the first house I showed her, the second house, guys, there's so many spider webs. We had to stop and actually leave and go home because it was so bad with spiders and webs. I got bitten a couple different places. I've been feeling all right. So, we just gotta see this. This is where these trees and shit were uprooted. I'm thinking from a storm or just the overall weight got to it. But, yeah. We're almost to the spot where we had to cross the river. Actually get to it. Telling y'all, it's crazy. Alright, y'all. See from here, but right up there is the cave. I gotta stop recording so I can actually cross. I get a chance. Back at y'all in a little while. RebelSquaw out.